when you navigate and tap on your call dialer and dial any number, for instance, and proceed to tap on call, you notice that this call is not recorded. In the event I want to record the conversation that I'm having with the caller, all I have to do is to follow these steps. Navigate to your Play Store. In this case, I'm going to tap on my Android Play Store. Then in the search engine, type Automatic Call Recorder Pro and make sure to pick the one with this best match. Then on this interface, scroll down until you locate the Automatic Call Recorder Pro, the one that has been manufactured by SMS Robot Limited. Then continue to tap on it, then proceed to install it. Then I'm going to tap on OK. You have to allow a bit of moment to finish loading, and it's not going to take a lot of time, so just be patient. This app is pretty light, as you correctly see, it's just 15.16 megabytes. So it's currently installing. After that, proceed to tap on Open and allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. So you'll be prompted with the usage terms and privacy policy. Make sure to have this toolbox selected, then proceed to tap on Accept and then tap on Continue. And with the subsequent prompt, keep on tapping on Allow, then allow again. So this will land you on an interface like this. Continue to tap on this, then you'll be redirected to this interface. Make sure the allow permission is toggled on. Then among the bunch of menus here, scroll down until you locate Call You and tap on it, and make sure this is toggled on in case it's toggled off. And you have to scroll down and tap on Allow, then proceed to tap on Finish, and that's it. Well, now when you move out of this app and tap on your call dialer and make any call that you want to dial, in this case I'm going to type on this number, then I'll proceed to tap on Call. Automatically my call is recording, as you correctly see. So I have the option to play back the call by tapping on this play, and it will play all the sounds that has transpired in the call. This is remarkable. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.